Hey, look at this. The first layer test that appears to be off to a good start, and the Bowden tube has not, I don't want to jinx myself, but the Bowden tube has not popped out yet. Right here. So, you may want to ask, alright, well, what did you do, Duff? How did you get that to print? Because where I last left you was my CR-10 was again under extruding, acting like there was a blockage in the end and creating back pressure in the Bowden tube that was in turn popping it out at the extruder end. That was my last scenario. So what I did was I didn't rip it apart because I don't really want to rip it apart if I don't have to. But after all of my mess the first time around, when I was going on my buying spree of things to possibly address the issue, one of the things I bought was some cleaning filament. This is eSun cleaning filament, and I thought to myself, well, I have nothing to lose. I bought the stuff, I might as well use it. So that's what I did. I removed the black PLA that's printing right now. I loaded up this eSun stuff and brought it up to normal temperature, about 210, and I let it run. I probably ran, I don't know, maybe a foot of it through, something like that. And when it first came out, you know, it was mixed with the various colors. There was some black mixed in and like some gray and stuff. So I just kept running it through. I used the extrude command in Octoprint. I would run it for like 20 millimeter extrudes, and I did a bunch of them. The Bowden tube never pulled out doing that, and just like I said, I just kept running it. Eventually it was just clear. It almost looked like just kind of like melted fishing line that was coming out. So I removed that, then I put my black PLA back in, did a number of extrude commands once again to make sure that the pathway was clear, and I re-leveled the bed just to make sure that everything's good. And now I'm doing the first layer test print, and I hate to jinx myself, but it looks almost perfect. I mean, it looks really good. Looks real tight. The thickness of the filament that's going down looks good, very solid. So yeah, I can't tell you how awesome that would be if I fixed this problem without having to rip into it. That would be incredibly awesome. So I'm going to let this complete, and then I'll try. I have a bigger print that I want to try to do, so I'll give that a go and see what happens. So maybe I got lucky for once, we'll see. So that's it for now. Until next time, Duffman out.